the best and top 5 promo codes for discount available for Farfetch website. So let's start this video without any further delay. To find any type of promo code, you have to go to your Google Chrome or any browser, then search for it. After you will see the website that is Business Insider. 15%, 10%, 20% off, and then you can see 10% off, $24 off, and you can get any amount of discount in this menu. And to get the code, you simply have to click on a discount coupon just like this, and the code will be displayed in front of you. Simply copy it and just paste it in your Farfetch website. You can simply go to the store also to apply this code. This is the video. This is how you can find it. This is how third-party website can be used for promo codes. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.